In this video, I'll detail how to delete apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running the latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily delete or uninstall any application on your iPhone. So this works on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if I download this video, you found this really educative and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, where you want to delete any application or uninstall application completely on your iPhone 12 Pro Max running on iOS 18, is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and you want to click on general. Now once you selected general, scroll down, locate iPhone storage and click on that. Now once you click on iPhone storage, scroll down, then locate the application you want to remove or uninstall on this page. And if you cannot find it on this page, click on show all. This is going to show all your application on your iPhone on iOS 18 like this. You see this? Now to delete or uninstall any application on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you just need to do here is click on the application you want to uninstall. So in this case, let's say I want to uninstall the ChatGPT application. Go ahead and click on it. Then once you click on the ChatGPT application or any application you want to delete or uninstall on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, go ahead and click on delete. Then you should see what that says, delete app. So this will delete all its documents and data, and this action cannot be undone. Go ahead and tap the delete button. Then hang on for this application to be deleted, and once deleted, it will be removed from your iPhone. You see that? So it's no longer available here. So that is going to uninstall the application from your iPhone completely. However, all iOS 18 users can also uninstall or delete application on iPhone from their home screen. And here are the steps to take. To uninstall any application on your iPhone home screen, all you need to do is locate the application you want to uninstall, press and hold it like this. Then you should see this app menu. On the app menu, locate remove app and click on that. Then tap delete app. This is going to completely uninstall this application or delete the application, including its data and documents on your iPhone on iOS 18. Tap delete, then hang on. So you see that? So the application is no longer available on your iPhone. So this is how to delete apps permanently on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.